अमेरिकन पाकिस्तानी पब्लिक अफेयर्स कमेटी ने अपने कैलिफोर्निया चैप्टर का आगाज़ कर दिया है। एपीपैक के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद का कहना है कि पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन को चाहिए कि वो यहाँ की सियासत में शामिल हों।
अमेरिका में मुकीम पाकिस्तानियों को सियासी और समाजी शऊर की आगाही के लिए अमेरिकन पाकिस्तानी पब्लिक अफेयर्स कमेटी एपीपैक की गिरां कदर खिदमात हैं। खिदमात के इस अमल को मज़ीद तक़वियत बख्शने के लिए एपीपैक ने अपने कैलिफोर्निया चैप्टर का आगाज़ कर दिया है। एपीपैक की कामयाबी इसकी बासलाहियत टीम है जो न्यूयॉर्क के माहिर कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद की ज़ेर निगरानी उमूर अंजाम दे रही है। एपीपैक का कैलिफोर्निया चैप्टर तंजीम के लिए एक तारीखी संगे मेल है जिसमें पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन के साथ साथ दीगर कौमियतों के लोगों ने भी शिरकत की।
12 years old, 1968, which was a very interesting year politically in this country. Perhaps this is the most turbulent time since then in this country from a political standpoint, at least on a national level. But even globally, things were changing. It was a time of great change.
तकरीब में शरीक लोगों ने न सिर्फ एपीपैक के कैलिफोर्निया चैप्टर के आगाज़ को सराहा बल्कि खिदमात के इस ना रुकने वाले सिलसिले की भी तारीफ की।
We must light the candle that is right next to us of our own character and our own being. APPAC, I'm assuring you that we are dedicated to make this organization second to none in its resources, in its influence, and its capability and capacity. And we are going to needing your help. I came here before with a third. How many people were here at that time? The people who were here. So you heard my Indus man and Indus woman pitch. So we are defenders of civilizations. This is who we are. The place we are from. We have defended the civilizations of India for a long time, whether the invaders came from Greece, or whether the invaders came from Central Asia, or whether they came from Mongolia. And now the Americans have found the best defenders of American civilizations, and those are Pakistani Americans.
एपीपैक का मकसद अमेरिका में मुकीम पाकिस्तानियों को एहसास दिलाना है कि हमारी कामयाबी अमेरिकी सियासत में अमली तौर पर हिस्सा लेने से है। समाजी, इक्तिसादी और सकाफती शोबों में मुकम्मल रहनुमाई और हौसला अफजाई करना भी एपीपैक का तुर्राए इम्तियाज है।
So if you're thinking of running, what are you going to look for? Obviously, sex is one of the things, and this is not a yes or no, I have no question. But if you're a male or a female, it's going to make a difference. It's a Me Too movement right now. Women have advantages. Pakistani and Indian women have a lot of advantages. You've got Kavita here from Los Altos City Council, she can testify, so Kavita can testify to that. And so, you're kind of like a secret weapon as a woman running for office right now. Because you're not expected, and then if you get out and they know, show them how smart you are and how well you can do a job, that helps. The name obviously we talked about, you need to figure out a jurisdiction where you either branded yourself. And you have to decide if you want to do this, you may lose the first time, but be prepared for that because that gets you some branding. People get to know you and then you're able to next time have a better push at it.
चेयरमैन एपीपैक डॉक्टर एजाज अहमद ने तंजीम के कैलिफोर्निया चैप्टर के आगाज़ पर खुशी का इजहार किया। उनका कहना था कि पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन को चाहिए कि वो यहाँ की सियासत में शामिल हों।
We got everybody together and began to work on a vision of getting our community off the sidelines into the game of American democracy. And that chief of staff, a deputy majority leader in the New York State Assembly, actually left his job and worked full-time for APPAC. I would like to recognize other things. Thank you very much. But our work quickly spread. Pakistani American activists from other states heard our victories in New York. Some of them, I'm going to mention, that they heard that APPAC was instrumental. We got we secured over $350,000 from New York State to help promote safety in Islamic institutions, Islamic schools and mosques and other institutions. There were Pakistani Americans who heard all over America, from Virginia, New Jersey, Los Angeles, Nevada, that how we started all this, and we even got the first Muslim Advisory Council established. Because of this work, APPAC has now office in Dallas, where members of our APPAC Texas team have met with the governor, senators, and many local candidates. Recently, they met with the head of Texas TSA and helped coordinate relief efforts for furloughed government workers. And I want to recognize Vice President of Dallas chapter here. Thank you very much for coming. But folks, I'm coming here before you not as a political expert or community activist. I come before you as a Pakistani American who loves his country and his community. So please, let's continue to work together. Let's bring our community together and continue fighting for change. Thank you. I just want to recognize and acknowledge, along with Naveed Bhai, what he has done. We are very thankful to him. Also want to introduce Athar. As I said, that he's our executive director. Athar, you want to stand up? We have Professor Kazan. He traveled from Buffalo, New York. He's a board member, and also he runs a National Advisory Council. Thank you very much, Kazan, for coming. Naveed Javed. He's our treasurer, and I don't want to forget, thank you very much my wife, Sabah, for allowing me to do that.
अमरीकी पाकिस्तानियों की हर मुमकिन मदद करना APPAC का शेवा है। गुज़श्ता माह अमरीका में शटडाउन के दौरान APPAC ने मकामी चर्च को सैकड़ों की तादाद में फूड बैग्स दिए। अमेरिकन पाकिस्तानी पब्लिक अफेयर्स कमेटी किसी मजहब, रंग, नस्ल, जबान और शहरियत से बालातर होकर अपनी खिदमत जारी रखे हुए है। इस मकसद के हुसूल के लिए APPAC का सफ़र जारी है।